Okay, hello guys. Today I'm going to share my solution at strings problem on Leetcode. So, first of all, given two non-negative integers represented as a string, return the sum of num, and as a string, you must solve the problem without using any built-in library for handling large integers, such as you must also not convert the inputs to integers directly. So, we need to remember the word directly. So, my solution. First of all, I'm going to start several arrays. First will be some char. It will be just like some char. It will be just a sum of chars, definitely not digits. Some num, which will be the array sum of numbers, definitely digits. Then we are going to start a variable of final sum, which means final sum, like not that hard to understand. And we need to some char. Yeah. First of all, I'm going to some char dot append number one. Some char dot append number two. So right now we hold it as a string. So then I'm going to go for I in some char, and I'm going to make a variable sum1 and the string variable for G in I. So if we will get right here, if we will start from I will just return 11 and 123, so it wouldn't separate the digits like one by one. So we need to run another for loop in the for loop. So for G in I, we are going to sum 1 plus equals G. So after we appended it to some, so to understand it correctly, right now we had just gone through one number. We didn't come through like 11 and 23. We came only through 11. So it is just to keep my solution clear, and just to understand that I didn't write cheat code. So after that, I'm going to sum num dot append integer dot sum one. So it was just like it was a string, but I turned it into integer. So now it works definitely. And I'm going to sum 1 equals to 0. So each so why did I make it 0 one more time? Because we need to separate the numbers. I mean, if we will go through 11 and then we will go through 123 without clearing the 11 result, it will mix up and we will get the wrong answer. So after that, I'm going to run through for I in some num. Yeah, so we are running through digits already. And I'm going to fun sum. I'm going to add I. I'm going to return string find sum. And right now we get like everything is accepted, but to be honest, it started to be a little bit more interesting. What will happen if I wouldn't go with like that, and if I will just like sum dot append integer I? Will it break the rule or not? No, it wouldn't. And now it works way more fast. So optimized code real time. So if this video was helpful for you, please subscribe and put some likes below this video. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful for someone.